In all times and places in our history, human beings have wondered where do we come from? What's our place in the world? What happens to us after we die? Religions are systems of beliefs that have developed and evolved over time in response to these and other eternal mysteries. Driven by the feeling that some questions can only be answered by faith and based on an intuition that there's something greater than ourselves, higher power we must answer to, or some source we all spring from and which we must return.
Therefore, creationism is not something proposed or exposed by a scientist, but a belief that has transcended generation by generation. As an example, we can state the Big Bang Theory, and how because of creationism it is rejected or modified.
The Big Bang Theory is the leading explanation about how the universe began. At its simplest, it talks about the universe as we know it starting with a small singularity, then inflating over the next 13.8 billion years to the cosmos that we know today.
Theories like this one drew debates between people, which could only flow in three possible ways. The first one is to deny the theory and stay loyal to your religion. The second one is to adapt or relate both of them, such as some Christians that state the Big Bang was God's labor as addressed in the Bible, on the verse Genesis 1:3, "Let there be light." As an excuse to accept both theories, they say that only God could create the universe on a trillionth of a second. And finally, we have atheists that stay true to scientific evidences. In conclusion, creationism is the belief that a God or divine being creates all living things.